how does it work? What changes do psychedelics create in the brain?
So in the brain, there's a few things we understand, or at least we think we understand. It's a very complex organ, as you might be aware. But generally speaking, there are some functional changes which occur. So there's a part of the brain called the default mode network, which is kind of loosely associated with your ego or kind of sense of kind of control. When we're self-referentially thinking about what am I going to do in a minute? What did I just do a minute ago? That's our default mode network in action. And it seems the action of psychedelics reduces the activity in this part of the brain. In fact, there's no increases in activity anywhere in the brain on psychedelics, which was a massive surprise when it was discovered. Because everyone thinks, oh, you're having this explosive experience. Yeah. There's got to be more brain activity. Actually, the opposite. So it's like the brain ordinarily works by constraining experience, right? It just kind of keeps everything kind of really tightly controlled and allows you to perceive certain things and filters out everything else. And psychedelics act to take off that control and filter mechanism and lead to the brain having this much greater interconnectivity, or suddenly all the different parts of the brain are all chatting away to each other like long lost friends. And so you get this kind of overwhelming, explosive experience, and things like synesthesia, where you're getting your kind of senses co-interacting, like you can taste shapes and see sounds and things like that. And it also frees up a lot of unconscious material, so people start remembering traumas and childhood memories, their motives, drives, fears, everything comes up basically. And that can be enormously therapeutic in and of itself. It can also help fuel psychotherapy, bring material into psychotherapy as well. So it's a kind of psychedelic assisted psychotherapy, and the two kind of go together, based on the idea of this kind of this wealth of material coming up, and also the beneficial effects of having the experience itself. That's kind of